In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can retouch your pictures professionally using Snapseed. I'm going to choose this image for instance. Firstly, I'll brighten up the image. To do this, I'll go to Tools and select Tune Image. Most of the YouTubers use this tool, but it is not that efficient as the curves. So I'm going to choose the curve tool here and just pull up the curve in the upward direction to brighten the image. When you're done, press on the tick button. In this image, the trees in the background are not that sharp, so I'm going to use the HDR effect in the Tools option. You can increase the filter strength by swiping right, and then press the tick button. Now, to make the face more bright and more visible, we can use the selective tool in the Tools option. Now, tap on that area where you want to brighten the image. I'm going to tap on the face. Now, swipe right to increase the brightness, and then go to saturation and decrease the saturation a little bit. You can adjust saturation and brightness as per the image. In this image, I find saturation a little bit more, so I decrease it. After applying the adjustments to the face, you can go towards the hand and then apply the same effects. When it's done, press the tick button. In this image, the sky is looking a little bit boring, so we can add another sky to the image. If you want a complete tutorial on how to add sky to your images, you can check the video link in the description. In that video, I have a complete step-by-step guide on how to add sky to the images. This is how the image will look like after adding the sky to the image. Now the image is ready to save. This is the final result. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. This is Kumar Ramiye and you're watching Tech Pirate.